All right, market opened a little bit ago. Right now we're kind of just in this area. Okay, we're kind of going down right now. Could I have shorted? Maybe, but the over here there's higher time frame for value gap, so I'm not gonna bet against it like I did yesterday. So plus now we SMT'd. I would not have been so hesitant to short if we weren't currently in this 4 hour. But we're just in this 4 hour, so otherwise I might have shorted, but it still would have been very aggressive. So I'm gonna chill. I really want to short, but yesterday I did the same exact thing. So today I'm just gonna wait and see. Okay, there we go. Because last time I shorted, it was a similar setup as this, but I shorted, and I paid the price for it. So let's go scale out. Major SMT. We're going up out of this fair value gap on the bigger time frame. It's tough because I'm not going to short. I'm not going to short when we got this. This is actually might be a good long. I don't know why MNQ is all of a sudden just going to the upside, and ES is all of a sudden trying to go down. What's this? What's this? See, this is exactly what happened yesterday. The same exact thing. Same things yesterday. MNQ's going to the upside now, though. Okay, there we go. Okay. Gotta make sure we're buying on ES. What's going on here? Am I in a position or no? It just didn't put me in a position. I'm confused now. Now they've confused me. What happened to my position? What the heck? What happened to my position, bro? Are we serious? Why did you not put me in along? What the heck? Oh my gosh. I literally entered. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. Maybe we could come back, retrace. Maybe we could get a retrace entry. I have no clue what just happened. I mean, now I'm just like not in the trade because it just didn't get me in. This is ridiculous. Why was I not in it, bro? Like, what is going on? Okay, well, now I gotta reset. Now I need a retrace to enter, or I'm not gonna enter. That's how it's gonna go. About 35 points. Okay, so that's 4 cons. Okay. So we're gonna actually need to retrace here on M and Q for me to be able to get another entry because I entered on ES, but you know, sometimes you press buy and it doesn't put you in a position. That's just how it goes. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Why was I not put in a position? Oh my gosh. I gotta watch that footage back. I gotta figure out what happened. It's like, well, you know, at least I would have taken the right trade because I would have broken even there. And actually, I forgot where we were trying to enter. Maybe there. Like we're already break even there, and we're almost full TP. You know, like it just sucks. It sucks to see because it's just like it was perfect. But now it's like... That would have put me back in the game. It would have put me up on the week. You know, it would have been huge. But there's always opportunities, so whatever. I do gotta watch that back though. That's insane. How was I not entered? I literally clicked because it said 12 on M and Q originally, which actually would have been okay. But here we go. Here we go. I don't really feel like entering this though now. Because you know what's going to happen? I'm going to enter and then it's going to reverse. I got to reset. I can't just take a long again after we took this. I got to reset here. Okay, this value got... Yeah, I'm not entering long. We got to reset. This is... Okay, respected this. It doesn't even matter because I'm taking my profits or I'm break even on this if I entered. On ES, I'm actually I gotta actually lock in here. On ES, I'm actually taking profits, but you know it's cool. Okay, bullish SMT. On Q. Okay. Now we just have to lock in and reset. But as you can see, I would have been stopped out, so maybe it wasn't the greatest trade to take. Now, one or two things is gonna happen here. We're gonna respect this. Go lower. Well, that's a 5-minute candle. I don't see us fully reversing going up. Maybe, though. I don't even want to take this. This is pretty risky. It's one big imbalance, so I kind of gotta wait for this to inverse before I take a trade. Here's what we could do, actually. I don't even like that, though. That's why we gotta wait. Our RR is just like not there, too. Like, okay, we inversed it on that. On ES, we didn't inverse it at all. So it's like crash out mode. I don't know how it didn't put me in that trade. That's just insane. Once again, Fidelity gaps are stacked. So we keep bouncing off of this bigger time frame imbalance. We could take this if we wanted to. Same thing. MES. Okay, let's see. I actually have to wait a little longer. Yeah, I actually have to wait a bit longer. Because where's the not even getting the fill would be entering another trade too quick and losing. That would be even worse. So that's why we waited. I don't have a feeling I'd have a identifying price action. NQ is actually closer to these targets. Of course, Tradovate's down. Ah! Okay, I gotta I gotta see if Tradovate's up or not. We're looking into a market data interruption with simulation environment. Okay. Nice. Because I'm trading a prop firm and I'm in the evaluation stage. So it just doesn't work. Well, it's not my fault that I can't trade. I don't know what to say. They had to stop me. Uh, okay, I'm gonna be honest. I don't think we're gonna be able to trade this. Yeah, they don't even have the data working. The data hasn't worked since 9:54. They're really, let me show you guys. It's just like not even moving. So, well, they better fix it before FOMC, or I'm gonna have to go in there and, well, I would have lost. We'll see if I would have won or lost. I'm going to be honest here. I'm not taking a short if there's an SMT. We're bouncing off this big time frame imbalance. But once again, this was the move I wanted to catch. You know, this was what I wanted to catch. We SMT'd right here. We're inversing all these for value gaps again. It's just like, we have a bigger time frame SMT. Like, look how the 15 minutes looking. It's just bouncing off this. So, but maybe completely reverse on me. Maybe it's a good thing that Tradovate was down. But the thing is, if it was never down, it would have taken the first trade and been off the markets at this point. So, yeah. Okay, Tradovate. Nice Tradovate. Okay. Let me get out of this Tradovate tab. Well, yeah, that might be it for me today. I don't even know if I can take a trade. I'm so happy that Tradovate's down. Really unfortunate. Not really though. But the thing is, now I'm not taking this loss on this trade. But funny enough, I would have never even taken the trade to begin with if it was up, so that doesn't count. Bro, what is this 5-minute price action? Oh my gosh. You know, I'm happy I'm not even trading this today. Because this is terrible. What is this? What is this 5-minute price action? Okay. Well, that'll be it for me today. No trade taken because Tradovate's down. But, you know, that's cool. I probably would have crashed out. But yeah, this was a pretty good trade, I think. I better not try to, like, do it later or something. I swear it was on this candle. I think it was a little lower because I think I actually had a better fill. It was like 12 cons and it was like right here or something. Yeah. Yeah, I'm taking profits or at least break even on that. So, I mean, hey, could have even entered on this, just kind of. But M and Q would have like, um, coulda, woulda, shoulda. It is what it is. All right. No trade taken for me. I might post a video about FOMC if I trade that. So yeah. See you tomorrow or FOMC.